Good evening, fellow students. New trading week, and we're looking for new opportunities that the market is going to present us. And I want to try to take this opportunity to go over the placing of orders again and amending of orders before we do the technical analysis. So, on your left of your screen, you have the market watch, and this is how you bring it. You go to view, you have the market watch, and then you click it and it will show. If it's not available, then you just click it and it will show. And if you right click the market watch and you bring show all your instrument are going to show. If you hide all, there will be nothing here. So that is it. And if you want to show the windows down here, which has your trades and stuff like that, all you need to do to go to view again, and you click the terminal, and that will bring the window back here. And how to place an order, I told you the other time. You can right click on the instrument that you're ready to trade, and you go new order, and that is it. Or you can just click it, bring the instrument here by going on the instrument and bringing the chart window, and do the setup that you want. And after that, all you have to do is then click on the new order button here, then place the trade that you want to go in. The lot volume means lot sizes, then your stop loss, your take profit, and then the sell or the buy. The market execution means you are selling or buying at the current price. Assuming you want to buy at a certain price, that is when you go and put in a pending order. And you can do a buy limit, meaning that your analysis, you think price is going to go at a certain level, and at that level you want to place a buy limit. And it's the same, you wait for price to hit that limit and you go in for buy. And once you buy, you put the price that you want to buy there. Let's say if according to this Euro New Zealand, you want to be a buyer at 1.74440. So you put that price here, and you set your stop loss, and you set your take profit, and you click the play. You place the order. And the same, if you want to do a sell limit, assuming if price gets to 1.3, 1 point, let's say 74760, you want to sell. So that is the price that you want to sell. So this is where you put the price, and you still set your stop loss, which is important, and take your profit, and you place your order. And it's the same for buy stop or sell stop. So those are the different types of orders that you place. Always don't forget to protect yourself. So when you are using the buy sell limit or buy limit or buy stop or sell stop, it means you are expecting the price to go at a certain level, and when price get there, you either want to buy or you either want to sell. So you don't have to babysit the chart. You set the price there, you put your stop loss, you put your limit, and then you leave the price, and you place your order, and you go and sleep. So once price get there, the market will feel you. When you only use market execution when you want to buy or sell at a certain price, and that is when you want to use market execution. It means that you are buying at the current price. So if I want to buy or sell at this current price, it means that I put my volume, I set my stop loss, I set my take profit, and I click buy or I click sell. That means I want to buy and sell at the same at the current price that the market is trading. And for um, purpose, I just want to also take this opportunity to show you how to amend your stop loss or take stop loss. Assuming I'm selling this market, let me place an order at current price. Let's say if I decide to put my um, I'm selling, or so if I decide to put my stop loss at, let's say, the high of the market 1.74925, and I go ahead and sell volume of 0.1. I didn't set take profit, I'll set it later. So all I'm saying is I'm expecting the market to go down, but assuming I want to amend my stop loss or take profit level, this is how I'm going to do. So this is my entry point. Let's say I'll go to pending order here, then I come here, modify order. So when I come to modify order, I didn't even set a take profit. So assuming my take profit is 1.73190, that is the stop, that is the take profit. And let's say if I want to amend my stop loss to 1.75, that is where I have amended it. 09 1.75 090. That is what I have done here, and you just click modify. You see that everything has been done. Now there is a stop loss, there is a take profit. You can amend it at any time based on the analysis that you are doing or what you expect the market to do. So having said that, let me give you a little breakdown of this market analysis, what I'm expecting the market to do here. We start from the weekly on the New Zealand USD. So here, this is the Euro New Zealand, and current price is hovering here, and this is probably we have the strong support from here, and from there you can see price shot all the way up about almost 3,000 pips, and it dropped all the way from there. And this is the level on the weekly chart that I am interested in. 1.76 or even 1.75 levels. If price doesn't move to come that place, it means that there is a big chance that the market will drop back. If we look at it from the daily chart, you can see it better. So probably we have a weak resistance here. We have a weak resistance at 1.75, so I'll be keeping my eye there, and once price hit there and doesn't close, I'm expecting the price to be bearish and come down one more time before we will have a market to go up. And you can look at the same thing from 4-hour. You see this strong double top there, and the market is there, came down there, and from there test back of the low. And look at what it's doing now. Now the market has opened high. What I expect the market to do is probably to shoot a little bit up before I expect a downward probably spell. So if I want to look at it from the 1-hour chart, which is a little bit clear, you can see an interesting formation here, which was probably a W forming. What I want to see now on the 1-hour chart, the market has just opened, so there's not going to be a lot of activity. I want the market to go up and probably try to break this level 1.74452, or even possibly come here a little bit. And if price fails to come, I want to be a seller in this market. I want to be a seller. So as the I'll look for as the week pan out, I'll look for a potential long, which I'm not going to take, but I'll keep my eyes on those key levels, because that is where exactly if the market fails to break, I will expect the market to probably drop 150 to 200 points from there. And another market I'm interested in to keep my eye on is I want to keep my eye on gold. And as you can see, the daily chart, as I've spoken before, price has been rejecting the levels of 18, 16 levels, and once price is able to close above here and hold, then we are heading towards the 1829, 1830 level or higher. But as long as price rejects keep rejecting the level of 1816, I will expect market to pull back to probably 1800 and 1890 and probably 1880 in extension before it moves back. You can see the weekly chart. That is a first test, and today is setting a second test. Let's go and look at the 4-hour chart, which is also an interesting chart. You can see anytime price hit the 1816.42 level, there is a rejection, and that is a price coming there again. So I'm hoping as the day begins to unfold, price will probably try to come up and test again, and if it fails to break above and hold, that means I will look for price probably to come to this level and in extension this level before another rally begins. So like I always say, try to protect your stop losses and try to put a stop loss on the trade you do, because you can never say you are hoping. Hope doesn't work, or ethic doesn't work in the market. I've repeated this every time again, because you never know what is going to happen. Allow yourself to fail. The only thing you can do to learn is trying to do something and fail and learn from the failure. You can listen to opinions, knowledge, lectures of people, but if you sit at the sideline and you fail for to do it yourself, then you can never have experience, because nobody can ever pass their experience to you. They can only pass opinions and knowledge to you. The only way you are going to learn and have experience and also call yourself, oh, I have done this before, I have experience, I know how to do, is try to do it yourself and allow yourself to fail gracefully. Once you fail gracefully and once you learn from your failure, you are going to succeed and also have the experience that you crave for. Remember, without failure, there will never be any great person in this planet. If you look at Serena Williams, if you look at LeBron James, Elon Musk, Ronaldo, all the great people that you admire in business, in sports, and in music, you only see their success stories. You never see how they began, the number of times they fail. They have to do it over until they succeed. So don't tell me they succeeded by chance. They still have to learn, they still have to work on themselves. They didn't rely for somebody to do it for them. That's why they have all this experience now. So until next week, I would say have a good trading day, and then let's see you at the end of the week. And try to subscribe to my channel, and every week I'll be sharing one technical analysis of a trade with you. Thank you very much and have a good trading day. Bye bye.